Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify delay. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify delay, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll enter to the window of Spotify. Then in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store. You will find here uninstall and you can uninstall, and you can install again your app when you will finish these steps. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.